I am Babak, and I live in Zambia. Today, I'm at a beautiful local market where talented Zambian artisans handcraft and sell incredible wooden items. Everywhere I look, there are stunning sculptures of animals, bowls, masks, and intricate carvings, all made with such skill and precision. The craftsmanship here is amazing. Every piece tells a story, reflecting the deep cultural heritage and artistic talent of Zambia. Watching these artists work is truly inspiring. They carve animals like elephants, lions, and birds with such lifelike detail that you can almost feel them moving. The warm, earthy scent of freshly carved wood fills the air, making the market feel even more alive. If you ever visit Zambia, this is a place you must see. It's a celebration of art, culture, and tradition. If you love Africa and want to see more of its beauty, culture, and art, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
This Malachite coming shop. Yeah. So this is, we say this is African blackwood. As you can see, it has got two colors. No joint. One piece of wood, no joint, two colors. It has got a meaning, this wood.
Yeah.
The meaning is
What's
this.
the meaning?
The meaning is that this white party stands for it. We don't just make anyhow, any type of wood. We don't make soft wood because these are something like this one. These are something useful.
Yes.
You can use this for some salads. These are Zambian. Yeah, these are original Zambian pieces. Then there's also this. This is a comb, traditional comb. We use them. You can see it's useful. It's not for decoration, but we use it.
It's just for the men or ladies also?
Anyone, a lady, a man, you can still use it.
Okay.
Then these.
So you're the one also doing this all painting? Yeah, somebody. You do the painting also or?
From that side. So wait for it.
Are you the one making it? Yes. Made out of stone?
Yes. Marble stone.
Marble. So she has. So maybe you can just explain what stone is.
This is a malachite, called malachite stone. This we get from copper belt. We just came here to come and make ourselves here. Just buy the log and we make ourselves the stone. Malachite. This is a copper tray. Zambian copper. Put the egg on top.
So the tools are here. You can show us the tools to make you even make those stuff.
The tools here we don't have what the components
In the workshop.
Yeah, workshop, yes. This is the jaw box. It's made of malachite. It's a stone you can open. It's a jaw box. They're different.
Those quartz are.
And this is a copper and malachite. And for packing and dismantle. Yeah.
Okay. This used for what? You just put under the cups?
Yeah, these are, you put the cups on top. This is a stone?
Yes.
Yeah.
You can explain that.
This is a stone. Soap stone.
What kind of stone?
Soap stone.
Soap stone.
Yes.
This black stand for. It means that we are one people. We just differ the color, but we are one. So it's a symbol of unity, and it's one of the hardwood. You can throw this wood into water, it goes down, it sinks because it's hardwood. Then there's also this one too. This is Luangwa. It's Mubanga wood, yes. It's also hardwood. Yeah. So because all these type of the wood you see, they have got names. Yeah. We have got special wood. These are butter knife. These are butter knife. We use them. Paper knife, butter knife, you can still use. Here we make everything. There is
You
also
do the painting also?
yeah. Also this painting here. Make them also. Yes. So these are cups, the wine cups. It's a pair. There are two. Then also this type of the painting here, as you can see. We make different art here. Then there's also this. It's a big 5. It's Africa map.
Yes, the
Big
big
five
five.
up
Can you
here.
tell me the names?
The name of the animal?
Yes.
Yeah, let me show you there is the, as you can see, there is the elephant here. There is a rhino, there is a leopard, the lion, and the buffalo. That's the big 5. Yeah, so we make in Africa, and we make the Zambia one. Zambia map, also big 5. Yeah, these animals we put here, we have them here in Zambia. Yes. So this one here, this other one, it's a Zambia map, but it's something useful. This is for the pen in the office.
I see.
You put pens here. Yeah.
It's very beautiful.
Yes. Yeah. So here,
Salam.